Landing an AI or machine learning role at a top tech company in 2026 requires moving beyond simple algorithmic puzzles and textbook definitions. Inverting a binary tree is no longer a sufficient ticket to an offer. Success now demands a hybrid approach. You must balance the rigor of a mathematician with the practical skills of a software engineer and the intuition of a product strategist. To navigate this, we will break down the specific internal scoring systems, the 4-month study blueprint, the transition to AI-paired coding, and the system design frameworks that differentiate senior candidates. The 2026 hiring bar is set for the top 1 to 5% of applicants, with the standard evaluation process at Meta, Amazon, or Google stretching across 6 to 10 weeks. Most candidates follow a standard 4-stage flow. This starts with a 30 to 45-minute phone screen on Python and ML basics, followed by 2 technical rounds on algorithms and design, a 60-minute ML case study, and a final behavioral assessment. This chart reflects the current evaluation weightage used by hiring committees. Behavioral fit accounts for 10%, theory for 20%, and coding for 30%. The largest priority, at 40%, is your performance and ML system design. These companies prioritize candidates who demonstrate they can build and maintain production-ready systems, rather than those who focus solely on theoretical knowledge. Relying on a random assortment of tutorials often leads to a pile of unorganized knowledge that fails under the pressure of a technical interview. A more effective approach is a 4-month intensive strategy. Month 1 focuses on mathematical foundations and classical algorithms. Month 2 transitions into deep learning and building portfolio projects. Month 3 targets coding fluency and system design. Month 4 is reserved for mock interviews. This progression follows a 6-layer readiness stack. You begin by solidifying math foundations, move into building projects, and practice explaining architectural choices. The final layers involve mastering large-scale system design, model evaluation, and the high-level communication required to lead technical discussions. Establishing these foundations makes it possible to defend complex architectural trade-offs when an interviewer asks for specific justifications. While the tools have changed, standard data structures and algorithms remain a mandatory requirement for any FAANG technical role. Aiming for 150 practice problems, 50 easy, 90 medium, 10 hard, provides a strong baseline, focusing on arrays, dynamic programming, and sliding windows. In 2026, you must also demonstrate ML-specific coding proficiency. This might involve implementing a self-attention mechanism or k-means clustering from scratch using only NumPy. Data manipulation tasks are common, where you are expected to clean and prepare a messy dataset. The ML system design round carries the highest weight in the evaluation process. This round tests your ability to bridge the gap between a local experimental model and a scalable, production-ready system. Designing a recommendation system, for instance, requires a multi-stage architecture. You must coordinate candidate generation using approximate nearest neighbors, a deep learning ranking model, and a final re-ranking stage to ensure diversity. Proficiency in these architectural decisions allows candidates to negotiate for senior roles and skip entry-level tiers. Hiring managers prioritize senior-minded engineers who proactively plan for inference latency, load balancing, and data drift over those who only focus on training models. Articulating why a cheaper, fine-tuned random forest might be more effective for a specific latency requirement than a massive LLM demonstrates the mindset of a lead engineer. Combining this architectural thinking with behavioral stories that prove ownership signals to the company that you are ready for high-impact roles. To prepare, follow the structured 4-month plan, master your manual implementations, and focus on practical production environments. Adopting this systemic blueprint provides a direct path to navigating the complexity of the 2026 big tech landscape. If this roadmap was helpful, subscribe for more AI engineering insights and share in the comments which part of the interview process you're tackling next.